Introducing our cast from the elementary department. Also worth mentioning our ballerinas. Of course, cannot be our performers from St. Mark Institute, Golden Gate Campus. St. Mark's Institute, Casimiro Campus, Nikas, and of course, our very own Mr. Jose Ferdinand Tejada. St. Mark's Institute, strong and amazing. This is the greatest showman, Alain Marquillan. Thank you so much.